All right, for this project, we're gonna make some wacky ostriches. For this, you're gonna need some crayons or anything you want to color with, a black marker, a piece of paper, and a circle about this size. Or you don't need this, you could free draw it if you want. So you're gonna start by creating the eyes. This might even be a little bit big, but we'll go with it. So I'm gonna draw 2 circles, okay, for the eyes. We want these to be big and funny. Okay, so that's the start to the eye. Then we're gonna go ahead and give it a pupil. So that's another curved line, kind of like the letter C. Same thing on this side, and we're also gonna give it a highlight. This one's gonna be the same. And then to make it even more pronounced, we're gonna add another curved line right here. Okay. Now for the beak. The beak, you're gonna start off by making a curved line in the center. And he looks kind of angry right now, but he won't in a minute. And then you're gonna make this come down and around like that. A little C, forward C and backward C on each side. And then I'm gonna give myself a mark, a little dot like this, so I know how far to come down to. This is gonna be a U. Okay, and then this is just gonna connect over here, and now I wanna give her some nostrils. Okay, and then I'm gonna give it another line in the middle here just to follow the mouth. All right, now I'm gonna use a big black marker just for time's sake to color in the pupils. But you can do anything you want. And if you're in the younger grades doing this, you can also have this student do all the scribbling part that's coming up next, and then cut these out and glue them on it if you want it to be nice and neat. Okay. I'm going to give a little curve at the edge of the mouth to make it look like it's smiling. All right, now comes the fun part. Pick your colors, any colors, and just start to do lines. I'm going to give it 2 lines here so I know how far down I want to go for the neck. I'll make that brighter so you can see that. And then you're just going to take your colors and just start going. Okay, just like that. So I'm gonna fill out here. You can do as many colors as you want. You can do as few of colors as you want. Ostriches are kind of funny. Anyway, because what bird puts their head in the sand? All right, maybe a little orange, and I won't color this whole thing on video. So if you feel like you got the hang of it, go ahead and you can stop the video now and start creating your own, or you can continue watching to see how mine turns out. Okay. Lines, lines, lines. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the chicken from Moana. All right, I'm going to do, how about a bright blue for the eyes? pretty silly looking bird, but it's fun. Another thing you can do if you want to do this with paint is to take a fork, a plastic fork, and just use the fork to scrape the paint out and make textured lines like that. Let's see, how about red orange for the beak? And don't feel like you have to use, I'm using orange for the beak, but you could do a lime green beak if you wanted. It's entirely up to you. Oh, press too hard. Okay, and I'm doing this fast for the sake of the video. I'll finish coloring this after, but take your time. Make it nice. All right, and I'm gonna continue adding colors in here. Maybe I'll do one more on camera so you get an idea. How about mint? All right. And you're just gonna keep doing this until you fill the whole thing in. And you will have a wacky wonky peacock. Or not a peacock, an ostrich. All right, have fun.